In this video, I'm going to go over the Ashwagandha Gummies, and these are from the company Goli Nutrition. I think that's what it is, the Goli. And this is the 60 count bottle, 2 gummies per serving, which is around about 30 servings in total. And looking over the bottle here, it's gluten-free, non-GMO, plant-based, vegan, and it's made with KSM-66. Now what that is, that's one of the highest quality ashwagandha root extracts you can get. It's made with 300 milligrams of ashwagandha root extract in here, and they infuse it with vitamin D2, so it's 25 milligrams, which gives you 125% of your daily allowance. They're like little gummy gels, and they have a really good taste to them. They have a really good smell. They have like a fruity kind of smell to them. If you guys have ever ate like a fruit roll-up, this is what they kind of taste like. To me, it kind of tastes like a fruity fruit roll-up. I've been taking these for around about 2 weeks now, and I feel a little more mental clarity coming on. I think I just got better quality sleep, and I just felt like I was a little less stressed. I just take them with breakfast every morning, and I'm good to go for the entire day. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Goli Nutrition Ashwagandha Gummies. See y'all in the next video.